Good morning. Today we are going to see BRS another question, and it has actually a little more adjustment, so please be concentrated here. Okay, prepare bank reconciliation statement from the following as on 31st March 2017. The date is very important. As per the date, if both the account means cash account, that means cash book, and the passbook, if it is not tallied, we should do as per this date. Okay, bank statement showed a favorable balance of rupees 12,400. Now you think about, it is the bank statement, bank maintaining passbook and the company maintaining cash book. So the bank statement, as per this, which amount actually given here? Indirectly that says that it is a passbook balance, and passbook balance, favorable balance is given, so that as per the information given above, there the favorable balance as per the passbook, it is nothing but the credit balance, and the favorable balance as per the cash book, it is nothing but a debit balance. So that favorable balance as per the debit of cash book and the passbook, it have a credit balance. Now favorable balance as per the passbook, undoubtedly. So I have written here, see, balance as per passbook, that is credit balance, favorable balance I have written in credit side 12,400. I hope understood. Yes, next things, check amounting to rupees 45,000. Now you think that amounting to rupees 45,000 drawn indirectly issued. So issued, that means of what? That when issued written or the drawn written, that cash book already reduction has done. So cash book already reduced that amount, because of company thought that what, when I have issued that, when I have drawn that, definitely the person will visit the bank and will withdraw that amount. But the things what happened, out of which check of 33,000 were encashed on 2nd April 2017. Now think that our year end is what? 31st March 2017. And we drawn when? 27 March 2017. So before the date. We have drawn before the date. So that means for us, that company already reduction has done in that. Now passbook done that reduction when? 2nd April 2017. But we are not thinking about that when the passbook has done. As per this statement, who is making? Definitely passbook making, that means bank making. So as per the balance as given passbook, definitely the adjustment, all the thing written by the bank only. So that bank, whether is done at that 2nd April 2017, but this date we are not allowing this time. Why? Because of that information given as per the passbook will change as per the cash book has done. So cash book has done that reduction when? 27th March 2017. Now the passbook responsibility is that what? That passbook also should reduce that amount on that before date. So the even 33,000 amount that encashed 2nd April, we are not bothering that the 2nd April or 3rd April, 4th April and what. When the cash book has done, 27th March. So that we should do this 33,000 reduction now. So that's why cash drawn but not encashed up to 31st March 2017. But whether this amount already reduced by the cash book, so we also reduced from the passbook, that is minus column 33,000. I hope understood. Next point, check issued written on technical grounds rupees 4,000. Now you think about check issued, so that cash book what has done? Cash book already reduced that amount. When the check issued, company thought that definitely the person will go to the bank and will withdraw that amount. So that even though the person not gone or nothing has done anything, we are not bothering about that. We are thinking about the cash book what has done. So the cash book already reduced that amount. So we also should reduce that amount. So check issued written on technical grounds or anything written and all that things, we are not at all bothering. We are thinking about the cash book what has done. So that minus 4,000 from the passbook. Yes. Next one is bank recorded a cash deposit of rupees 3,210 as 3120. Now you find out there that actually that bank recorded how much cash deposit? That one, 3120 at the place of what? 3210. That means something has reduced amount. So that amount again I supposed to enter in this bank account, that is in the passbook. So that's why what we have done here, bank recorded a cash deposit of rupees 3210 as 3120, subtract that amount, how much is actually less amount are there. So 3210 minus 3120, 90 rupees. So 90 rupees now we are going to add back again to the passbook. So that's why in that add column, that is credit balance, I have written 90 rupees. I hope clear. Next one. Okay, next point. Bill of collection not advised by the bank but credited to our account rupees 8,000. Now you think about that 8,000 credited, that means of added in the account. As per the whom this added? As per the passbook, and the information given as a bank statement. So this is nothing but all the information regarding of the passbook only given. And you think about if the passbook details first time has given, and you should think all the details about the passbook only. So that means of what? Credited to our account, that means it's added to the passbook. But advice is what? Not to add. So that already passbook added the things. Now what should do? Not to add, that means of what? You should reduce. So that the things has done here in debit balance, bill of collection credited by the bank, but advice is not to be. That's why I have subtracted 8,000 from here. I hope clear. Okay, point number 6. A bill for rupees 10,000 was retired by the bank under a rebate of rupees 200. Now you think that bill amount how much was there? 10,000. Rebate how much given? 200. So now think that actual story is what? Say I am the company. I came to the bank and I have deposited, I have given a bill to the bank, and I told that please bank encash that amount. Simple way. Encash that amount. So bank told that dear, the 10,000 bill value, I will not encash full value. What I can do? I can give 9,800, 200 rupees rebate should be there. But the things what happened? But the full amount of the bill was credited in the bank column. So again, they have told like that, and the person also told that, the company also told that it's okay. But when the bank entered that amount, that full amount entered. Now what should do? Bank should revise that things again. So that's why bank what has done? Rebate on payment of bill by the bank not recorded. By the bank not recorded. So that's why now bank recording in these things. That means that 200 rupees reduced from the passbook. So this debit column 200 rupees. I hope understood. Now tally, debit column, I think more, 45,200. So I have written both the sides, 45,200. Now you think about balance as per the passbook I have written first. So now last what the balance I am getting, that is balance as per the cash book. And the cash book balance, if it is coming in debit, that is a favorable balance. If it is in credit, that is unfavorable or overdraft. Things is, this time we are having the balance in credit side. Now subtract this amount, 12,490 rupees. You should subtract from 45,200. So subtract it, it will be 32,710. So 32,710, it is nothing but overdraft as per cash book. I hope understood. Is there any doubt is there? If any doubt is there, please comment down.